Hey traders, welcome back to another session where we turn small numbers into big results. Today's starting with just $250 and I'm going to show you how my AI trading ball helps me multiply this balance with precise and ease. This bot isn't just a tool, it's a revolution in trading. It analyzes the market in real time, generates high accuracy signals, and ensures that every trade has the highest probability of success. So, buckle up, and I will take you behind the scenes to show you how exactly this bot works. Let's get started. Alright, the first signal is in. The bot has identified an opportunity and I am entering the trade right away. What makes this bot so powerful is its ability to spot trends before they are average trader. It's not just reacting, it's about anticipating. And there we go. A clean and easy win to start the session. This is why I trust the bot with every signal it generates. And that's for today's video session. Starting with 250, I have shown you my AI bot consistently delivers results. If you are tired of struggling with the market or unsure of your next move, this is your chance to change the game. The link to join in the comment section below. Do not wait, start now. Remember, this bot isn't just software, it's your partner, your edge, and your guide to profitable trading. Thank you for tuning in today. I will see you in the next video where we will push even further. Until then, stay focused, trade smart, and take care. Bye for now.